Steve, we're here at Fleet Farm, one of our all-time favorite stores.
Yes.
What are we getting?
We're getting a Harrow, a drag Harrow.
A Harrow. Look
Yep.
at this thing.
Yeah, that was
This is
fun.
this is like a chain link fence that got eaten up by a tractor.
It's got 5-inch tines,
Yeah. Oh, I see those.
half-inch thick,
Yeah. See,
hardened
these are the
carbon
tines.
steel. Yep.
Yeah.
So
If
you
this
can.
one has a little blemish on it, I think we should get the other one.
You're funny.
I know. What are we gonna do with it?
We're gonna do trail maintenance.
Yep.
And we are going to prepare soil for seeding for the meadow.
Oh, here comes our favorite guy.
All right.
He's the forklift guy, so we don't have to pick this up. Okay.
All
Say
right.
goodbye, Steve.
Okay, bye, Steve. Oh yeah, see, that's doable. That's doable. That just hops on there.
All right.
All right, well, let's make sure we got it.
Go ahead.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Let's
Drive her away.
Driving away.